Good afternoon. This is Philip Schumacher with an update on the winter storm expected to impact the area this weekend. There have been significant changes to the forecast over the last 12 to 24 hours that it will impact the weather, especially tonight into early Saturday morning. Temperatures have trended a little colder than what we were previously expecting. Therefore, we're expecting more snow over most of southeastern South Dakota and southwestern Minnesota overnight. Farther to the southeast, we're expecting a mix of rain, sleet, and snow over much of northwestern Iowa, northeastern Nebraska, and far southeastern South Dakota overnight. After this first round of precipitation ends, we will see a period of light drizzle or freezing drizzles as temperatures warm into the lower to mid 30s, until colder air moves back in Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, changing the precipitation back to snow. Again, the first round of precipitation is expected later this afternoon into early Saturday morning. A large area of precipitation will move out of Nebraska into the Missouri River Valley, producing a mix of sleet, rain, and snow, and then will continue to move north towards Interstate 90 and then towards Highway 14 during the late afternoon and evening hours. Once this precipitation reaches Interstate 90, we are expecting to change to all snow, with all snow continuing along and north of Interstate 90 through the overnight hours. The heaviest snow is expected to be west of the James River and north of I-90, where 4 to 8 inches of snow is expected. The snow will be heaviest during the evening time hours, where 1 to 2 inches of snow per hour is possible. After a brief period of either drizzle or freezing drizzle during the day on Saturday, colder air will move back into the area, changing precipitation back to snow first in the Missouri and James River Valley, and then gradually spreading southeastward during the late afternoon and evening hours. Up to an inch per hour snowfall is possible, especially west of the James River, with the heaviest snowfall expected on Saturday night. Snow will gradually come to an end late Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon. In addition to the heavy snow, strong winds are possible through the storm. Overnight tonight, we're expecting winds could gust as high as 25 to 35 miles an hour, producing blowing and drifting snow when there is snow falling. Visibilities less than a half mile will be possible, especially north of Interstate 90, where the heaviest snow is expected. In addition, roads will become snow covered during the overnight period. Once winds switch to the northwest Saturday afternoon and bring that colder air back into the regions, we expect wind gusts of 30 to 45 miles an hour across the area. This again will produce widespread blowing and drifting snow and produce visibilities less than 1/2 mile at times west of the James River Valley. Again, this will produce hazardous travel, with roads becoming snow covered across the region. If you are planning travel this weekend, please be sure to pack an emergency supply kit, winterize your vehicle, and carry a mobile phone with you. Also, before you head out, check the latest road conditions. Many roads could become hazardous or even impassable, especially if you are traveling west and north of Sioux Falls. And finally, get the latest forecast before you head out. Know the conditions you will be traveling in. And if conditions are too hazardous, please consider postponing your travel until the storm moves out of the area. Thank you for listening, and have safe travels.